Good morning, Steve Freed with the morning grain calls. Markets are kind of mixed overnight. You've got beans up a penny, meal down $1, corn's unchanged, down a penny, and wheat's up 4 cents. Stock market's higher, dollars lower, and crude's higher. It's interesting that when the UAW came out and lowered their request for a salary increase to 30%, bonds reacted to that, and stocks bottomed and have rallied over the last couple of days. It's month end, quarter end. It's a USDA report day. So we'll see what the government says about September 1 stocks, corn, beans, and wheat. Yesterday's export commitment, as far as soybean, down about 33% from last year. There's also talk that China may have washed out some U.S. soybean export sales and switched to South America. The stocks numbers today should be around 242 versus the USDA's 250. And the Dalian is closed today and all next week for holiday. Tension between the two countries reached a new low when the Chinese said they want their pandas back from U.S. zoos that were lended. India has record veg oil stocks, and the corn export commitment down 3% from last year versus USDA's increase of 23%. U.S. corn remains uncompetitive due to river logistics problems, and the stocks number 1429 versus 1377 last year. Brazil and Argentina farmers both increased cash sales, especially in Brazil, with talk in the second week there could be some rains that will help planting. The is talk about 1 million tons of Ukraine corn has been sold to China, and in the wheat, export commitments down 14% from last year versus USDA's guess of down 8%. Stocks 1772 versus 1778 last year. Crop 1729 versus 1734. Argentina talking about a crop of 16.5 with crop rated 22% good to excellent versus 14 last year. Australia is lowering their crop to 23 to 25 million ton, and there is talk about a lower EU crop, lower quality, and imports at 6.5 versus 4 million tons, and the increase mostly from Ukraine. So again, we'll be out at 11 o'clock with the results of the USDA report, market reaction. But again, we're dealing with money flow, with the funds reducing their net longs and beans, also covering a little bit of their corn short, but adding to their wheat short here in Chicago and in the Matif.